Okay, so hello Hannah.
Hello, teacher.
Paul and hello Tommy.
Hello, teacher.
So tonight we study about potting. Tell me some avenues that you remember. You?
Where is a restaurant? There's a coffee shop.
Coffee shop.
It's
Pool. Pool.
it's a garden.
Garden.
Beach.
Beach.
House.
House. And rooftop. Okay, tell me which venue party do you like?
I like a coffee shop party.
You like coffee shop?
Party.
Coffee shop party. Why do you like coffee shop party?
Because it's fantastic and great.
Fantastic and great. And how about you, Paul? Which venues do you like?
I like restaurant and house party.
So why do you like house party?
Because it's very clean and the food is very healthy.
The food is healthy. And how about you, Tony? Which venue party do you like?
I like restaurant and coffee shop.
You like restaurant and coffee shop party? Why do you like coffee shop party?
Yummy.
The food is yummy. And how about activity? Tell me some activity.
It's a rest of
Dress up.
have some contest.
Contest. Dance.
Sing.
Sing.
Have a lot of food, good food and drink.
You? Yeah? Anna?
It's
No.
a chess grip.
It's chance gift.
It chess grip.
Talk with my friends. And how about this one?
Take photo.
Take photo.
It's a make new friend.
Make new friends. And the last one? Play ball game. So which activity do you like doing in the party?
I
I like
dancing and sing.
dancing. I like dancing. I like dancing.
I like dancing
And
sing.
singing. Why do you like singing?
Because it's fun and
It's fun.
it's fun and happy.
And interesting.
Interesting.
Okay, which activity do you like doing?
I like talk with my friends. Talking with my friends. Taking photos. Playing ball game.
Okay. And
And make new friends.
why do you like taking photos?
Because it's very funny.
It's very fun.
Interesting and fantastic.
Why? Now you. Which activity do you like doing in the party?
I like playing ball game.
Why do you like playing ball game?
Because it's fun.
It's fun. Okay. So thank you for your view. Thank you very much. See you.